My beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you still serve. My old subscribers and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. In this today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to do a corkscrew hairstyle or Coboko hairstyle. So guys, stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. These are the tools. I'll leave all the tools below for you guys to see, and this is the hairstyle you'll be seeing. As you can see, very cute and nice. So guys, let's get started for the tutorial. First thing, you need to achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you go ahead, as you can see, this hair is natural hair and it's very short. So you go ahead, you apply your leave-in conditioner, you also apply your treatment if you wish. So you apply it to the head before you start combing the hair, so that it will make it to be very soft. As you all know, natural hair can be so painful, so you need to do it gently, massage it gently, then you begin to comb it. As you can see, while combing natural hair, you need to be very careful and comb it gently to avoid it being painful. So guys, can you see, when you're done combing the hair, you go ahead and you begin to section the hair. And this particular one, I'm going to section it into 6 portions. Can you see, guys? So when you section each portion, you go ahead and you secure it with rubber band. You can also use thread to hold it firm, because this particular is very short and I want something that will hold it very firm. So guys, you keep going with this sectioning method. As you can see, when you section one, you go ahead and you apply your eco styling gel just to smooth the hair and to make it look very nice. Can you see, I'm using thread to secure it first. Please don't make it too tight. Then after that, I use my rubber band, the colorful one, to secure it again, so that the thread will not be obvious. So when you are done sectioning it, as you can see, I'm done with the sectioning part. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. As you can see, guys, so this is the tutorial aspects. For this particular hairstyle, I'm using just one Brazilian wool and it's color 39. So you cut this Brazilian wool, and if you want to achieve this lovely corkscrew, you make sure you make your Brazilian wool very long, so that you'll be able to achieve the length you want. You don't cut it small, just make it very long, so you'll be able to achieve the exact length you want. So now guys, I'm using 10 strands of Brazilian wool. Then I take 3 out of it and I use it to cross the remaining one. Then I begin to twist the hair. As you can see, while twisting this hair, don't make it too tight, so that I'll be able to draw it easily, because you're still going to draw it. This is the best method you guys can use to achieve this Coboko hairstyle. Just pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. Can you see, when you twist it halfway, you go ahead and use that small one, then you draw it. Can you see, you keep going with the twisting. As you can see, don't make the twisting aspect to be tight. So when you twist it halfway again, can you see, guys, then you begin to draw it. You begin to draw it. Can you see? So when you draw it, can you see the Coboko is looking so beautiful? So when you are done, you just go ahead and you secure it by tying it. Can you see, guys? You tie it very well to avoid it from losing. And that's all about this tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section if this tutorial is helpful, and please give a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this particular video. Can you see, guys? So make sure you tie it very well. Then when you are done, you trim it before you cut the excess wool away. You trim it very well. Then you trim the excess one away. Can you see, guys? This is how you achieve a lovely Coboko hairstyle for your kids. Can you see? You keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Just watch from the beginning to the end. I also have a similar video in my channel, but that one is for adults. This one is for kids. Just watch from the beginning to the end. You understand what I'm doing and you guys will love the outcome. So guys, you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. You keep twisting it. Can you see? So now when you're done, you go ahead and you apply your accessory just to beautify the hair. Now we are done with this lovely Coboko hairstyle. And what I'm doing here, guys, I'm just putting accessory to beautify the hair, as you can see. And this is the final look of this hairstyle. As you can see, my little model, she's very happy about this hairstyle. As in, my little model, she's very happy. She's in love with this hairstyle. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate every one of you here. And I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell. You can also share to your friends and family. Bye bye. I love you all.